Hey everyone, check out the MusiBaby Bluetooth Speaker, a portable and waterproof speaker perfect for outdoor fun. This compact speaker offers an impressive 1,500 minutes of playtime, so your music lasts all day. Enjoy true 360-degree stereo sound with booming bass that makes every song feel like a live concert. You can pair two speakers together wirelessly for an even bigger sound experience, or use one alone for great audio. The IPX5 waterproof design lets you bring it to the pool or beach without worry about splashes or rain. Bluetooth 5 technology ensures a strong signal and quick connection up to 100 feet away. Plus, it easily connects to laptops, phones, tablets, and more via Bluetooth or a 3.5 audio cable for versatile use. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.